I'm Ben. I'm a wizard, and I go to wizard school. I have a magic wand. I like doing spells to help people. Look, poor Lucy can't reach the candies on the top shelf. Let's help her. Zap! Good. Now she is much taller. John is late for his bus to school. He's not fast enough to catch it. Zap! Now he's much faster. Mary and Kate are playing on a seesaw. Oh dear, Mary isn't heavy enough. Zap! Now she's heavier. Helen and Harry want to play tennis, but the weather isn't very good. Zap! Now the weather is better. Peter is hungry, but he only has a little biscuit for lunch. Poor Peter. Zap! Now this biscuit is much bigger. Susie wants to go to her friend's birthday party, but her dress isn't very beautiful. Zap! Now it is much more beautiful. Ken wants to wear his old baseball cap, but now it is too small for him. Zap! Now his head is much smaller, so it fits. Claire is going too fast downhill. She can't stop. Zap! Okay, now she is going much slower. Sarah's picture is nice, but she doesn't have many paints. It isn't very colorful. Zap! Great! Now it's much more colorful. Colin's belt is too long. Zap! Now it's much shorter. Look! Lisa has baked a cake. Oh dear, she's cooked it for too long. It is black. What a bad cake. Let's help her. Zap! Oh no! Sometimes my wand makes mistakes. Now the cake is worse. I should go home now before I get into any more trouble.